Thinking about getting into investing but worried you don't have enough to start? Maybe you've heard of Nutmeg and you're wondering, how much money do I actually need to open an account? You're not alone. This is one of the most common questions people have when they first consider investing. It's easy to look at the stock market and think it's only for millionaires. But what if I told you that starting small is not only possible, but it's also one of the smartest things you can do? Nutmeg, for those of you who don't know, is one of the UK's leading digital wealth managers. They've made investing more accessible to everyone, and that's a huge deal. They handle the hard stuff, like choosing the right investments and rebalancing your portfolio, so you don't have to. But the big question remains, what's the entry fee? Well, the good news is that it's probably less than you think. Nutmeg offers several types of accounts, and the minimums vary. For their ISA and general investment accounts, the minimum is £500. This is the most popular starting point. You can't just throw in a fiver and expect to get started, but £500 is a very manageable amount for many people, especially if you save up for it. Now, if you're looking at their lifetime ISA, the minimum is even lower, just £100. The lifetime ISA is a fantastic option if you're saving for your first home or for retirement, and the government even gives you a 25% bonus on your contributions, up to £1,000 a year. That's a huge incentive. And what about pensions? Nutmeg's pension account has a minimum of £500. Consolidating old pensions or starting a new one is a great way to build your retirement fund, and Nutmeg makes the process incredibly straightforward. So, to sum it all up, you'll need at least £100 for a lifetime ISA, and £500 for a general investment account, an ISA, or a pension. But here's the key takeaway: don't let these numbers be a barrier. Starting with the minimum is a brilliant way to get your foot in the door. You'll learn how the markets work, get comfortable with the process, and see your money grow over time. The most important thing is to start. Time in the market beats timing the market, and the sooner you begin, the more time your investments have to compound. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.